Hello, it is like 11:30 and I'm packing for a trip. I hope you like my outfit. There's like a mirror right there, like it doesn't go together, but it's fine. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to the beach for 4 nights and 5 days. So really, like, I don't need to pack that much stuff, but also I feel like that's like kind of a long trip, so I'm going with my friends and I don't know what to pack, so I'm gonna walk through that. Okay, easiest thing, definitely, I'll start with bathing suits because I have a bunch and I don't like get a lot of use out of them regularly, so I may as well just bring like 5. So swimsuit number 1, this tankini, super cute. Then the next one I'm bringing is these bottoms, and then this top, which is super cute. Love that. The rest of them kind of don't go together. These 3 bottoms, they're all kind of mix and match. None of them really match, they all kind of mix, but this triangle top, and this like scoop top. I was gonna bring these, but I don't think I need more, so that's good. I'm also gonna need like daily outfits, probably like 1 outfit for each day. I have these shorts, cute basic shorts, and I probably only need 1 pair of denim shorts. I'm gonna bring some tank tops, I think. Probably like 3 tank tops because I wear a tank top every day. So here's 1. And then I have this tank top. Honestly, I don't even know if I like this. It's kind of weird, but it goes with, I feel like it goes with everything. Not that there's anything else for this to go with. It's just going with shorts, but I don't know, cute enough. And then this red one is cute. Looks freaking wrinkled, but that's fine. Also thinking about like bringing this tennis skirt. Ooh. Not a tennis skirt, but this like skirt athletic thing, whatever, because it's cute. And to go with it, I was kind of thinking this top. I think it'd be cute. This is like terrible. Like I don't know if this actually goes together. I'll bring that as an option, but I probably need like 1 other shirt that would go with the skirt just in case. Okay, I think this shirt is cute. I don't know if it would go with black, to be honest. I think it could, or it could go with the denim shorts, so I'm just gonna pack it. Okay, so these 3 like potentially go together. Not really though. I don't really know what goes with that. Okay, this is like a very specific fit, and I don't even know if it like goes, but I think it'd be really cute. Okay, so I have this tank top that says Grumpy like embroidered on it, and it's really cute. I love it so much. I wear it a lot, but it's like blue navy embroidery. These are both like kind of mini skirts, so it could either go with the plaid or with the flowers. I don't really know if I like it. Actually, I do kind of like it. Like, in the interest of bringing less clothing, I'm gonna get a similar effect by putting this tank top over this dress. Let's see. No! This dress is so freaking big. I don't know if it even works on me. Oh my god, I talked about this in a different video where I got a dress, but it's like these. It's like the boob triangles that are just too big on me. Because they're supposed to be like out here, I guess. Dang. Yeah, I'm not filling that up. It's definitely like a night dress, but I don't care. Oh my god, it just does not fit. Wait, can I tie it? No. This dress does not fit me, so that sucks. It's very cute though. I guess I'm abandoning that idea. I might abandon the grumpy t-shirt idea as well. Here is something that I definitely will wear though. I think it's just a long tank top, but you can wear it with shorts underneath and it looks like a dress. So that's super cute, super easy to wear. I was gonna wear this sweater vest with white skirt. If this doesn't work, well, there's also this that goes. I feel like it's a little too matchy though. But those are all options, kind of mix and match. I have this tank, which is like beachy, but it's like not that cute. I don't really know how I feel about it. It's okay, it's just not my favorite thing. We are doing like 1 nice dress night or something. So I have this dress, which is really cute. I feel like the skirts are cute, but I don't know if I'm actually gonna wear them. It's 100% rain for 2 days and like 60% rain for 2 other days, and then the day we leave it's better. But I'm like contemplating bringing jeans, but I don't think I will. There's another pair of shorts that I could wash. There's also these, which are not totally my style. But let's talk about t-shirts. I have this one that I just got. This one has boats on it, so I feel like it's proper for the beach. The way that I'm folding these things is really bad. And so that's 2 t-shirts. Oh, I'm bringing this one kind of as like a beach cover-up though, because it's really, oh, I thought it was really big, but it's not as big as I remember. It's kind of big though. No, like it's definitely big, but I think it could be a beach cover-up. It also has stains on it, which is kind of lame, but it has all the Carnival Cruises on it, which is cool. This is really hard for me for some reason. I've never had such a hard time packing. You know what? If I bring all of this, it's probably good enough. And I think I'm not going to bring the jeans. Because who brings jeans to the beach? That sounds such a terrible idea. Okay, I'm bringing some workout clothes, like 1, 2, 3 sports bras and biker shorts and some other random shorts, and then 1 workout top. Some of those can like double dip as like regular bras or as pajama shorts. And then other than that, for like sleep, I'll just wear some other random tank tops and stuff because I know I'm not going to use all of this stuff. I think that's it. Like, I don't know what else to pack. I have a pair of shorts in the wash that I'm bringing. Let me look again. There's got to be something. I think I have like 1 cute outfit for every day. And then the rest of the days can just suck, I guess. This is my Discover Weekly. I don't know why it's playing Benny and the Jets. Like, I'm so glad that's like a fresh find. Let's recap really quick. Workout clothes. This pair of shorts, this pair of shorts, and another pair of denim blue shorts in the wash. We have this skirt. For no reason, I bet you I'm not gonna wear it. This dress, another dress. Okay, maybe I'm packing too much. This skirt and this skirt. 2 little sweater vest things. This cool shirt. Quite a few tank tops, giant Carnival shirt for beach cover-up, really pretty dress, oh, other cute tank top, 2 t-shirts, and all my swimsuits. And I'm bringing the big sweatshirt from earlier, just as like a sweatshirt. And I think that's it. So let's put it all in a suitcase. I'm like very sure that I'm forgetting like a big thing of my wardrobe, like, oh my god, I didn't bring any bathing suits, but obviously it's not bathing suits because I brought bathing suits. Shoes, I'm bringing these Birkenstocks and a pair of running shoes, and honestly, that's it. Stay tuned and watch my vlogs to see if there's like a big clothing item that I forgot to bring, like, oh my god, Isabel, you didn't bring pants. I don't know. I literally made a matcha to get me through the packing thing, drank half of it before I even started packing, and then drank none of it while I was packing. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed packing with me. Let me know if there's like something that you realize that I forgot. Like, what did I not pack? I don't know. Socks. I didn't pack socks yet. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day.